Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Wendy and this is Will's Mountain Homestead. And in today's video, we are going to be talking a little bit about cold stratification, what it is, how you do it, and the reason why we're gonna do it with this right here. So we are growing a medicinal herb garden this year. And one of the plants that we're putting in the ground is called marshmallow. Now it is a perennial, but it's going to take it a few years to get going. So the process of cold stratification means we have to kind of mimic the colder temperatures so that this plant will germinate from seed. So I'm going to take you inside, show you how we do the cold stratification process, and get these babies ready to go in the ground. There are many other plants other than marshmallow that need to go through this process. So make sure you look at the back of your seed packet. And on mine here, it says cold stratify for 4 to 6 weeks. So we're gonna do this one for 4 weeks before we go ahead and put them in our potting soil. To start out with, you're going to need a dish of water. And all we're gonna do is open this up and dump our seeds in here. We are going to let this soak for about an hour. I have a strainer with a paper towel that is folded over it, and we're gonna just line the strainer with the paper towel and take our soaked seeds and just dump those right onto the paper towel. Very carefully, because you don't want them going into the sink or the bottom of the dish. I have folded the paper towel over and I'm pressing on it to try and get some of that excess moisture out of it, because I don't want this to be soaking wet, because I don't want mold to grow on my paper towel. Okay. Once you have done that, you will be left with your seeds still inside this moist barrier. Go ahead and take a dry paper towel and place the wet one inside of it, and then just fold it over one time, and then you're left with that. I have a Ziploc bag that is labeled marshmallow. And I'm going to put my seeds directly into this bag and seal it up tight, making sure all the air is out of it. And I'm gonna sit this in the refrigerator for 4 whole weeks. If you see that they start to sprout, I would go ahead and plant them at that point too. But guys, that is how you cold stratify your seeds. All right, guys, that does it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, God bless, and you guys will see you next time. Bye.